Hello children. Last week we finished up till page 66. So this week let's start with page number 67. This is about your future life. Like for this page, just keep one thing in your mind, that you can give any relevant response. That means we are not going to bound you with one particular answer. You can have your own answers for this page. Let's read out what is given. What would you like to become when you grow up? That's the first question to you. In other words, what profession would you like to take up? Like what profession you would like to take up? Talk to some people in your neighborhood with different professions, and this will help you to understand some professions. So first thing is, that's your personal decision. What would you like to become, or what career you want to choose? You can talk to few people in your neighborhood and discuss with them about the professions. Now you are going to talk to 5 different people. You have to name the people, write the name of the person, according to them what profession they are in and their opinion. And here you are going to write your remark or your response, what you feel about it. Next is B part. All of us should have certain life skills. Life skills help us in becoming successful in our life. So this again, you people have to do it yourself. Your answers can vary. Some letters are given below. Write one life skill beginning with each letter. So it's again up to you what letter you want to choose, what answer you want to choose. You can fill it here. So like S, suppose with S, sincere. So that is up to you what you want to fill. You can fill on this page. Next, this is page number 68, Indian celebrities and social service. Now what is social service? Basically social service means public services that promote equality and opportunity in the society. So there are many Bollywood stars who do social service. Like recently we heard about Sonu Sood helping the laborers in Mumbai, or helping the people to reach their home back. So many of them go out of their way to support a cause and make a difference in the world. So few film stars are given, celebrities are given. Let's talk about their detail and their name, like what social service they have done. So she is a social activist. I'm not going to read out the full. I'll just read out what the main part of the sentences. The main area of the activism is for the child and women rights, fighting the stigma and injustice associated with AIDS. She's advocated the cause of slum dwellers, displaced Kashmiri Pandit migrants, and the victims of the earthquake at Latur, Maharashtra. And she is also appointed as the Goodwill Ambassador of UNPF. That's Shabana Azmi. Next, we'll be talking about this Bollywood star supports the poor families of certain states who were to be displaced due to construction of the Sardar Sarovar Dam on the Narmada River, especially from the Gujarat government. That's Amir Khan. Next is number 3. We'll be talking about his NGO foundation provides support for the education of underprivileged children from Andaman and Nicobar Islands, very closely associated with charitable organizations like Akshara Center, Breakthrough, Citizens of Justice and Peace, and the Teach for India movement. That's Rahul Bose. She's an actress, former Miss India and national swimming champion, and a social activist. She's worked towards the cause of welfare of the underprivileged. She's active in areas of health, women, child rights, poverty and social development, starting a care home named Ashraya for those who are affected by HIV/AIDS. That's Nafisa Ali. She's Nafisa Ali. In 2010, she was appointed as the UNICEF National Ambassador to support Indian children and their right to go to school. She's none other than Priyanka Chopra.